Hello and welcome to this video about how to start blogging for beginners in 2023. Blogging is an amazing way to express yourself, share your passions, and even earn some money. In this video, we will be covering everything you need to know to start your own blog in 2023. From choosing your niche to setting up your blog and publishing your first post, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Part 1. Choosing your niche. The first step to starting a successful blog is choosing your niche. Your niche is the topic or theme that your blog will revolve around. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you have some expertise in. This will make it easier to create high-quality content that your readers will enjoy. When choosing your niche, consider your interests, hobbies, and experiences. You can also research popular topics in your industry to see what people are interested in. Remember, your niche should be specific enough to set you apart from the competition, but broad enough to allow for plenty of content ideas. Part 2. Setting up your blog. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. There are several blogging platforms to choose from, but we recommend using WordPress. WordPress is easy to use, customizable, and has plenty of resources available online to help you get started. To set up your blog, you'll need to choose a domain name and web hosting. Your domain name should be unique and memorable, and your web hosting should be reliable and fast. Once you've set up your domain and hosting, you can install WordPress and start customizing your blog. Part 3. Creating your content. Now that your blog is set up, it's time to start creating your content. The key to creating high-quality content is to focus on your audience's needs and interests. Research your target audience and create content that will help them solve problems, learn something new, or be entertained. When creating your content, remember to use a mix of text, images, and video. This will keep your readers engaged and make your content more shareable. You should also optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords and meta tags. Part 4. Promoting your blog. Finally, it's time to start promoting your blog. There are several ways to promote your blog, including social media, email marketing, and guest posting. Social media is a great way to connect with your audience and share your content, while email marketing allows you to reach your subscribers directly. Guest posting is another effective way to promote your blog. Find other blogs in your niche and offer to write a guest post for them. This will give you exposure to a new audience and help you build relationships with other bloggers in your industry. Conclusion. Starting a blog in 2023 can be a fun and rewarding experience. By choosing your niche, setting up your blog, creating high-quality content, and promoting your blog, you can build a successful online presence. Remember to stay consistent, focus on your audience's needs, and have fun along the way. Good luck!